Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Antonio the Realtor. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at this rehab on the south side of Chicago. It is 3313 West 61st Place, $379,900, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So without further ado, let's go take a look. All right, this one's nice. I like this one. Guys, before we get started, a lot of the items that you're going to see in the property, from like what's in the kitchen, the stove, the fridge, and then to what's in the bathrooms, you'll be able to purchase some of those items. If you're on YouTube, look underneath the video, you'll be able to see some of those items. So if you want, let me know if you like anything. But check this out. We are in the living room area. If I take a walk this way, you'll see we have these beautiful dark chocolate floors. It's like what it reminds me of. But it's a nice living room space. The division between the dining room and the living room is going to happen with these walls here, this archway. And it's nice. You walk in, I would say your TV probably goes in this corner or along the wall, since this is where you have your electrical. If you look this way, this is the stairs going up to some of the bedrooms, all right? So that's gonna mean more than likely your couch area is gonna be something like either this here, maybe a couch over here, a small one, so that you guys can watch TV. But yeah, that's what this looks like. There is can lighting, of course. Now, coming into the dining room, focal point of this first level, they're going to be this beautiful ceiling. I do like the work that they did here. It is very different, looks very modern. I do like it. We have a nice LED fixture that is here in the video as well. A nice little chandelier style light. I do like it. It's positioned in a good place. You put your table here. Late at night, you turn that on. You have a little bit of mood lighting, but it looks good. So now you will see that there's a difference in the flooring between the living room, dining room, and then the kitchen. It goes from this chocolate brown to this, to this lighter brown tile floor in here, or laminate, excuse me. And now we are in a very, very functional kitchen. I like when the kitchens are like everything is very easily accessible. I'm a fan of that. Okay. Samsung refrigerator, of course, pretty cool. That's what it looks like from the inside. Temperature controls in here, which is kind of nice. I didn't touch it, it just beeped. Ice maker, and then we have a beautiful faucet in the kitchen. Really nice. Cabinets they seem to be 48 inches, 48-inch cabinets. Very nice. I do like these handles. I wonder if I can put these handles in the video, but yeah, these are really nice handles. Okay. We do have a microwave, and the main thing, guys, whenever you have a microwave like this, luckily we're right next to the door leading on the outside. Hopefully this is vented to where anything that you're cooking gets sucked in through the vent here. Anything that's cooking in there gets sucked in, goes this way, out the door, and vented outside. You would have to have your home inspector verify that that's happening. But that is something that, hopefully you see in a property that you buy, because the last thing you want is to be cooking something that's very pungent and have the whole house smell like that. So vented is good. Vernice, do me a favor. Come on over here this way really quick. I want to show everybody this, though. There's no pantry, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drawers. And then we have cabinet-wise, 1 set of cabinets, 2 sets, 3 sets. And then we have up here 4, 5, 6, and then an extra half right here, making it 6.5. So although there isn't a pantry in here, there is a lot of cabinet space, and I didn't even include the one that is above the refrigerator. So a lot of space in here. The other thing that's down here is a bathroom, okay? I'm gonna have you go in the bathroom. You can show that off a little bit. But here is the bathroom. You have a shower in here. So it's a full bath. You got a shower with a really nice, what is that, rain drain? Really nice rain shower there. Pretty cool. Vanity, a very standard vanity that you would find along with, I'm seeing a lot of these in houses right now. Your LED control, you could do it like that. It looks good. But very nice. Again, this is on the first floor. And then from here, right across the way, we have the basement. Where we're gonna head right now, we're actually gonna go upstairs so we can show you the layout upstairs. I hope you guys like it. Here we go. Okay, so we made it, right? Bedroom, 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 bathroom. Follow me into the bathroom. There is a shower in here, okay? I'm gonna slide that way, slide this way. Okay, I can come into the shower, you guys can see. Rain style shower, telephone style shower as well, so that you can get everything that you need to, right? But very nice, very modern. And again, we have that LED light that I'm seeing in a lot of houses, and a nice little vanity. I like the size of that. It makes sense. You're saving a lot of space so that you don't have, so tight next to the toilet. This is a little close here, but it's okay. It'll work, right? We're gonna go into bedroom number 1 of the property. Okay. So here's bedroom number 1. Feedback I'll give. We're looking at a twin bed in here. You put a twin bed in here, you're gonna be fine. If you had to put a full-size bed, you could, but a twin bed in here would leave you a lot of space, to put a dresser in here and, to have space to maybe walk around a little bit. Not that you're gonna be doing laps in here, but that's that. There's your closet, okay? Good closet space. Nice heavy door for a closet. Some other houses just do like accordions. This is cool that you can actually close it and lock that. I like that. Now, going down the hallway, we are going to come to the bedroom number 2, okay? We do have another closet. This one competes with the other one for space. Twin bed goes in here, no problem. This fan above, it's nice. Right now, I believe that's set to a warmer tone light. I would like to see that actually illuminated to be a little bit of a cooler tone, like a blue. It would illuminate this room a little bit more, a little bit better in my opinion. But nice size closet as well. Same size as the other closet. They were doing math when they did the schematics on this place, tell you that. Nice. And then another great feature in here is there is a fire alarm up there, which is great. Vents all over the place. You have outlets. I mean, this place is on the up and up so far. Now, if I come this way, this is the larger of the bedrooms. Okay, you can put any size bed in here that you want. You'll be fine. Okay, you'll be fine. We still have the theme of the chocolate floors, which is cool. And then for those of you going, oh, but where's the closet, Antonio? I don't see a closet. I'm going to show you right now. Where is the closet? Close the door because we don't want to hear them kids. We don't want to hear nobody. We open this up, you have a closet. Okay, now you do have a closet. Will you need a dresser? Yes, you'll need a dresser. Maybe you need 2 dressers in here. But that closet's gonna be good enough maybe for your clothes if you don't have a ton of them, and maybe things that you don't wear. I would still say you're gonna need some sort of hanger closet system outside of the closet. So we are going to head downstairs to take a look at the basement. So before we head to the basement, I did want to show you this because we're on the way down. There is a beautiful carport and a nice space to put, car, truck, whatever it is that you have to have out there. But it's a nice size yard, really, really nice. This deck is newer. I do like that. So all you got to do now is, throw some grass seed on the ground if you want, and call it your own. All right, made it to the basement. And guys, what you see is what you get. Nice height on the basement. We have can lighting. Nice open space. There is a drain in the center of the basement in case you spill any water, anything gets in. It has a place to go, which is really nice. So ductwork, the clearance on that is pretty good, probably 6 feet, because I am a short dude, but that's okay. And then in here, we have your mechanical room, AKA your laundry room. You got a tub in here, hot water, cold water. And then we have electricity for those appliances. Over here, really easy access panel to your electrical. And then over here, of course, we have your furnace and heating system. Whenever you're buying a house, you always want to make sure that you have your inspector take a look at this to make sure that's working. And, just do what they got to do to check how old the boiler is. That looks like it's newer, so no worries there. But guys, if you want to see more property tours, on the left over here, you'll be able to click to watch more. If you want to watch more Southside property tours, click here. If not, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button in the center of the screen. But thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.